Hey friends, this is Dante Pope your Val and welcome to the update on Avalanche. Avalanche has broken down so many supports. Like first, it broke down this falling wedge pattern. Despite this was a bullish bias move, but this time we have broken down the support of the wedge rather than breaking out the resistance. And after the breakdown from this wedge, the price of Avalanche also broke down this very long-term up trend line support and another very long-term down trend line support as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support, this one, has been previously working as a support here in the month of September 2023. We had a short bounce here, then we had another bounce here, then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And if we take a look at this long-term downtrend line support, then you can see that previously it had been acting as a very, very strong resistance. We got rejection here in the month of November 2021, November 2022, by the way. And then we got another rejection here and few more rejections here, several more rejections here. And now after this breakdown, it can act as a very strong long-term resistance for the price line. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this breakout from this down channel. And before that, Avalanche also broke out this very long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And we will also analyze this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Spell, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this signal I shared on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakdown, we had a big drop. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown was here, approximately at $21. And you can see that the price has dropped more than that. And now it is getting accumulated at this long-term support of $20. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $20 has been working as support here, resistance here, and therefore now again it can work as a strong support. However, in case of breaking it down, it can drop down to the next long-term support of $17.30 that had been recently working as a very strong support here in the month of July 2024. And again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Avalanche. Now here you can see that we have already broken down this very long-term downtrend line support and this uptrend line support. Therefore, these two supports can now again act as a very, very strong resistance for the price line. Now, recently, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $65. But the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $55. Therefore, as soon as the price breaks out these resistance levels, all these resistance levels, this uptrend line resistance, this downtrend line resistance, and this resistance of $31, then soon it can also hit this target to the upside for the breakout from this channel as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.